Today, let's talk about the real stories behind some popular meme sounds. First up,
oh my god, my Shayla!
This sound may seem funny now, but it actually comes from a very emotional moment. Back in 2017, an actor posted a video of himself crying during a custody battle for his daughter. Later on, he was granted 50-50 custody, which he called a win for his daughter. Next is the
what the hell?
This one went viral after a TikToker reacted to an anime face filter. The reaction was completely natural, and that shock is what turned it into a meme. And finally, the iconic SpongeBob blomp sound. It's actually a classic sound effect from a library created in the late 1960s, and it's been used in many cartoons and shows, including Scooby-Doo. So next time you hear a meme sound, remember, there's usually a real story behind it.